Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Our distinguished pilgrims, I bring you glad tidings from His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The President enjoins you to be worthy ambassadors of this great nation. You are going to a foreign land with cultural dissimilarities with our own. We'll enjoin you to be law-abiding, to play by the rules and regulations of the Saudi authorities. And most importantly, we'll urge you to pray for the nation, to pray for the peace and stability and unity of this great country, to pray for the President, and to pray for our performing governor of Imo State, who is a bridge builder, who is becoming an architect of modern Imo and by extension, modern South East. The President is mightily proud of him. This man,